Antioxidants. You know what they are. Nutrients like vitamin C or vitamin E that supposedly fight the free radicals that damage our bodies. For years, we were told that drinking extra orange juice or taking mega doses of vitamin C could stop a cold, or that taking vitamin E pills would protect our heart, brain, and skin. You probably noticed that antioxidants are everywhere. They're not hard to miss. Not only are the supplement shelves at the health food and grocery stores teeming with antioxidants, they're in our food and our bottled water. They're featured in nearly every energy drink. Even soda beverages now boast of their antioxidant content. In fact, the journal Age reports that consumption of antioxidant products has increased from less than 1% of the population in the 1950s to about 45% today. And recently, the Global New Product Database recorded some 703 new foods and dietary supplements that refer to antioxidants, a 400% increase from 5 years earlier. In short, our culture is saturated with the notion that supplementing our diets with conventional antioxidants like vitamin C can somehow protect our health. But all this begs the question, can these antioxidant-containing foods and supplements that we regularly consume truly be beneficial for us? Can they really protect us from disease and improve our level of health? Perhaps a cautionary tale from ancient history can help provide an answer. In the 2nd century BC, Chinese Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who was also known as China's first emperor, was obsessed with finding an elixir of life that would help him achieve immortality. To this end, he continually had his court doctors and scientists investigate any potential source of such an elixir. He also sent out large groups of explorers in an effort to find a source of eternal life. Eventually, the emperor's inner circle of doctors began giving him pills that contained small amounts of mercury, which they believed would help extend his life. Ironically, Emperor Qin Shi Huang eventually died a premature death, with mercury poisoning being the cause. The account of Emperor Qin Shi Huang can apply to our situation today. It can certainly be said that most of us would love to have some sort of elixir of life, a pill, a drink, or a food that could improve our health, enhance our looks, and extend our life. The proliferation of antioxidant products and the constant telling of the antioxidant story have only fueled that pursuit. We've been led to believe that antioxidant vitamins or foods enriched with conventional antioxidants can help fight free radicals and lower oxidative stress. Like Emperor Qin Shi Huang, however, is it possible that we have been misled? Could the truth be that these products we've been taking all these years in an effort to improve our health are actually causing more harm than good? Recent research demonstrates that certain antioxidants, such as vitamin C and vitamin E, not only offer no antioxidant protection, but can create negative and oxidizing effects in our bodies as well. What can be done to ensure we are providing our bodies with the necessary nutrients and supplements? Is there a solution that can help us effectively fight oxidative stress and supply our bodies with the types of antioxidants that can provide optimal health? On this CD, renowned scientist and two-time Nobel Prize nominee, Dr. Joe McCord, discusses all of these topics and more. In the next few minutes, you'll learn all about the antioxidant myth, how it came to be, and why it may be a significant health concern for all of us. You'll also hear Dr. McCord discuss his breakthrough work in the field of free radical biology and how it has forever altered the way we look at free radicals and antioxidants today. More importantly, Dr. McCord will also share exciting information regarding a revolutionary product that you've likely never heard about. A product that has been clinically proven to slow cell aging and essentially eliminate the increase in oxidative stress that occurs as we age. So listen closely, and what you learn today may enhance your health forever.
Hello, everybody. This is Clint McKinley. I'm here today with Dr. Joe McCord for a conversation about Protandim, the science behind it, and in general, the science of antioxidants and free radicals. Thank you for joining me today, Dr. McCord.
My pleasure.
You know, when you review your background and your experience, the question comes to mind, have you always been interested in science, or when in your life did that interest get sparked?
I was always interested in what made things tick, how things worked. When I was 10 years old, I guess, or 12, I had a chemistry set for Christmas, and the rest is history. So I had a pretty strong conviction that I wanted to do something in the science arena, and originally planned to be a chemical engineer. And my junior year in college, I guess, I became interested in biochemistry. I had a professor who thought that was a good fit and directed me toward graduate school in biochemistry.
And you went to Duke, and take us on a journey from there through your postgraduate studies and your career.
I entered Duke University as a 21-year-old graduate student and was very fortunate to have a project that really took off after the first year. First year is always a year of frustration. After that, we stumbled into something that turned out to be very, very important, and has really directed the rest of my career right up to this point. My doctoral dissertation work was the discovery of superoxide dismutase, and I stuck with it. When it's time to do postdoctoral work, additional work, I thought this is too good to walk away from, so I stayed in the same laboratory for 2 more years and became a junior faculty member in the Department of Medicine at Duke. Then I went to the University of South Alabama for about 13 years, where I was chairman of the Department of Biochemistry, charged with teaching medical students what they know about biochemistry in their first year. In 1990, moved to Denver, where I still remain.
With the University of Colorado today.
Correct. Right.
Now take us back to that moment in the lab when you were working with your mentor, working on your higher education studies at this time, and you discovered something that is world-renowned now as superoxide dismutase.
Correct.
How did that happen?
Not the way most people would imagine. Science doesn't usually work from a scientist saying, I have this grandiose idea, and setting about to prove it. Rather, it's years of stumbling around, making observations, and recognizing what's real, what's reproducible, and trying to piece together facts. And I was very fortunate to have Erwin Friedovich as my mentor. And his philosophy was anything that is real and reproducible should be noted, should be shared with other scientists, because it's a fact. It's a building block in the edifice of knowledge we're trying to put together. And sooner or later, it will become significant. It will become meaningful. And so the discovery of SOD was pretty much that. He had studied an enzyme called xanthine oxidase for years. Turned out to be that's one of the primary enzymes that makes free radicals in your body, which nobody realized at that point. And so the discovery of that fact, that there's an enzyme in living cells that can make reactive free radicals, was really wrapped up with the discovery of superoxide dismutase at the same time, because SOD, superoxide dismutase, eliminates those free radicals. And it was kind of a coincident then discovery of a source of radicals and an enzyme that gets rid of them, none of which was appreciated widely by scientists at the time.
Looking back now, it's amazing to think you were in your 20s at the time, were you not?
I was.
In your 20s when this SOD discovery takes place. Amazing how that shaped the rest of your life.
Yeah, it is. I think youth is sometimes underestimated. I see kids now who are in their teens and understand computers frontwards and backwards, and we probably should develop, I our children at a faster pace than we do and get them right into the deep stuff, because that's really what happened to me. And the discovery of superoxide isotopes